the wonders of technology. Tell you, we're all, boy, what a narcissistic society. Um, to leave a video message to rate a video. I thought it was awesome. I've seen it before, a couple months ago, and I thought it was very, very funny. The guy that played Terry Taps was perfect for the role. Frankie Unger was very well acted. Had some laughs, had some boosts, which I like. But hey, it's free. All it takes is a little bit of time. I definitely think it's worth a watch or a rewatch. Take care.